Hello, we are the externs. We created a solution to the IPS number 2 challenge at the Indy Civic hack. Our solution allows contractors for IPS to automatically log the miles that they've traveled using an Android application. Once the drive is completed, the data is uploaded to the cloud where administrators can log into a panel to process the recorded information. First, we'll take an overview of the app that the contractors will use. First, the driver will have the application installed on their phone. Once they launch the application for the first time, they will be prompted to log in with a username and password, which they've been pre-assigned. Once they're logged in, the app will remember the user until they decide to log out. On the main screen of the application, the map will focus over Indiana until accurate GPS location is found. Once it's found, the map will zoom in on the user. The interface was kept clean and simple enough to allow the user to quickly start using the application with little to no learning curve. To start the trip, the driver just has to click the Start Recording button. The interface was kept simple enough to eliminate driver distraction. A path is drawn on the map to show where the driver has been. Also, the driver's total trip time and distance is shown. The map is the biggest element on the screen to allow the driver to see nearby roads at a quick glance in case they are lost. When the driver has traveled over 1 mile, the units on the bottom of the screen is changed from feet into miles. In order to stop the trip, the driver presses the big red Stop button. Once the trip is stopped, the total trip information is uploaded to the server in the cloud. Next, we will look at how the administrators will view this data for processing. The administrative interface was created on a web app to allow access from anywhere. This web app will work on any modern browser and device. It will automatically scale to any size screen from a smartphone to a computer. Here we can log in or create new drivers. For now, we will log in. When an administrator is logged in, they can see the users in the system right here, as well as with the recorded trips within the system, shown right below. They can use this information for processing how much to reimburse contractors for the amount they have driven. If we had further time to develop this application, we'd have liked to add a map on that administration panel which showed the current location of all users, as well as the previous trips they have taken on a map. We'd have liked to add onboard diagnostic sensor support to see the exact amount of gas they have used, which would allow us to calculate a more accurate price. And we would have liked to add navigation support to have a user take a route which would be the most efficient on gas, therefore lowering the total cost of reimbursement. To conclude, the team would like to thank you for your time. Please feel free to check out the source code provided in the links above. Also, don't hesitate to contact the team if you would like to ask more questions or to see the program in person. Thank you.